To do things online that you see someone else do it, and there's people who pretend to be chiropractors who just see some videos online and then just go ahead and do it without any sort of clinical training and whatnot. So
It's not suited for everybody, and clearly this gentleman is
not in shape to do
yeah,
it.
yeah, exactly. And then he's a little bit older. He probably have some other issues in the back he's not aware of.
Right. And again, you have to get that checked to see. Not that I'm saying that if it's fine that he should do it, but again, if he's somebody else do it online, you shouldn't be trying to mimic it.
Yeah. What if he actually have some kind of a facet or disc issue that wasn't underlying, or he wasn't sure about